December 10th, 2020 Daily Math Review. The table shows how far Rochelle ran in 3 days. How many feet on Monday and Friday altogether did Rochelle run? All right, so we're going to look at Monday and Friday. So I'm going to highlight that. So Monday and Friday, I'm going to put it in green. All right, so Monday and Friday, 2 miles and 5 miles. So far when we add 2 plus 5, we get 7. So we're starting with 7 miles. So I'm going to put 7 mi for miles. Remember, we can always put that in a fraction form over 1. All right, now we're trying to get from miles to feet. Feet. So we're trying to get to feet. So I'm going to put feet here, and we're trying to get away from or get rid of miles. All right, so let's look at our conversions. So miles and feet. Ooh, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. All right, let me snag some of these. All right, so what we're going to do is we can cancel out the miles. We can cancel out those miles. And now we can multiply. So 1 times 1 is 1. And 7 times 5,280. Well, let's do 7 times 5,280. Let's snag some of these numbers. Alright, so 7. I'll move this up. 5,280. Woo! Times 7. So 5, 2, 8, 0 times 7. Alrighty, so we're going to multiply. And I'm going to snag those. Here we go. Perfect. Now we're going to multiply here. So 7 times, I'm going to grab one of these times 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 8, or 8 times 7 is going to be that 56. There we go. Carry that 5, drop that 6. 7 times 2 is going to be 14. Plus 5 is going to be 19. Carry that 1, drop that 9. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 1, 36. Do we have any decimals here that we need to put in? Nope. So here's our answer. When we multiply that through, we get 36,960. And we're going to keep those feet. There we go. And then 36,960 feet over 1, or divided by 1, is just 36,960 feet. Whoop, not 26, 36. There we go. Let's make that smaller. Perfect. So our answer in our answer box, 36,960 feet. And that's our answer for our DMR. Great job!